Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the best way to make money online in 2019 and beyond. And get this, it's proven to work, all right? So if you want to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, let's get into today's content. All right, so first things first, if you've been watching me for some time, you know I like to get into the results first, and then I'm going to teach you how I got these results, and then I'm going to give you an opportunity to learn how you can get these same results as well. All right, so first things first, I'm going to take you back to when I first got started. I haven't done this in a while for this particular income stream, but I'm going to go all the way back to November when I started with this actual income stream. All right, so as you can see, guys, I started the first month. I didn't really do much. Made about 50 bucks, right? Then let's go into, well, I didn't make it all the way back there, but December of 2018, guys. Like I said, I got started in November of 2018, and now we're going to look at December 2018. All right, so you can see I went from 50 bucks to 636 in revenue and $120 residual, okay? Then January of 2019, now we're on the third month, guys. The third month that I had been doing this. All right. Come on, internet. I don't know why it's acting so slow. Come on. Man, that's going slower than I really wanted. All right, so here we go. And then this is the third month. So $1,627.90 for revenue and $360 in residual, okay? All right, so let's go to the month of February 2019. Come on. Man, that's taking longer than I really wanted to. All right. Man. Sorry, guys, for my internet. All right, so here we go, guys. So this is the actual revenue. This was before the adjustment, as you can see here, but this was the revenue. So 1982.94, okay, and we were still at 360 residual. And then in March, right, we're going to see in March what happened with the results in March. All right, so hopefully it goes a little quicker than it did than it has been so far. Come on. Let's do it. All right, so as you can see, guys, this was before the adjustment. The adjustment came in, and we were at $25.15 and $720 in residual income. All right, and now we are in April. All right, hopefully April kicks in a little bit quicker. Hopefully. And guys, the reason I'm showing you these results, because I want you to know that you're learning from somebody that's actually getting results, that's actually making money on the internet. And one thing that I was taught is you want to go to the people that you see that you may not be getting a certain amount of results, but you want to get to results. You go to the people that actually know what they're doing, okay? So in the month of April, we are 10 days into April, and we are at $650 residual. I mean, not residual, but revenue, and then $120 residual. Okay. Now, as the month continues to go on, by the 19th of April, this would have went back over $2,000. Okay, in revenue, which means I would be at about $720 residual plus the earnings that would be over here. So that would be about That would be about $770, $780 is what I would receive on the 15th of the next month. Okay. Now, of course, this is dependent upon, are your customers staying on board or are they dropping off, right? So this is dependent upon that as well. All right. So as you can see, guys, that's one income stream. I want to show you guys another income stream. Now, if you're on JVZoo, if you haven't made a dime on JVZoo, what I want to do, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money with just about anything that you get started in. All right. All right, so as you can see, as a whole, I don't do too much promotion on JVZoo, but you can see $910.10 is what I've made on JVZoo so far. And then this is another income stream that I have, okay? So you can see 2019, April 1st. So that was about 9 days ago. You can see $90. Payment cleared by my bank and ACH was sent to my bank account. Okay, now this was in February. Okay, $180 payment clear and ACH payment to my bank account. So guys, I just want to show you guys the results to let you know that you're not just learning from somebody who doesn't get results, guys. I get results. It's because I've learned a skill set and I want to teach you guys just kind of paint the picture for you here on this video, but I'm going to go in depth with some serious people. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and close the results out. Let's close JVZoo out and let's close that out. Now that's just a few of my income streams, but let's map this out. So I'm going to draw a circle. I know that circle isn't the best, and I'm going to draw another circle. All right. So over here, I'm going to draw a P, and over here, I'm going to draw an S. Okay, so it doesn't matter what industry that you're in, okay? It does not matter. It could be you selling water. It could be you in the green juicing. It could be you in weight loss. It could be you in internet marketing. It could be you in real estate. Here's what every industry have. They have a huge problem, and you as the person, the entrepreneur, right, or the marketer, you have to be the person that can solve that huge problem, right? That like if I can't simplify that anymore, guys, that's how I've made the income that you see there, and that's how I continue to do it. Is I know the big problems in my industry. I'm in internet marketing. Right? The biggest problem in internet marketing is there are people that don't know how to generate leads. And then if they do know how to generate leads, they don't know how to convert those leads into sales. Right? That is the biggest problem in internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. Those are the big problems. So I said, okay, I'm going to be the Superman, right? Let me just draw obviously that's not a cape. Let me kind of back up on that. All right, so let me just draw my cape, right? I know that's probably not a cape, but there we go. Boom. I said, I'm going to be the person that solves this problem, but I'm going to do it with a product that solves that problem. That's what I did, guys. So I don't know if you guys caught that. I know I closed it out kind of quickly, but I made over $500 with one single product doing exactly this right here that you see. I know that people struggle at generating leads. 97% of people in network marketing or in that whole niche, just internet marketing, 97% of people are struggling. Okay, and do you know that 0.1% make more than $400 a month? 0.1%. So I said, okay, so if that's the issue, right, I know people aren't generating leads, right? And I found that out by making over $500 with one product that helps people build an audience of targeted people. That's what I did. So, you don't have to do exactly what I did as far as using that particular product, but yes, that is a great product and it helps people generate leads. So it was kind of let me not say it was easy, right? It's still a challenge for me sometimes, guys. Everybody doesn't say yes. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's not going to say yes, but there are people that are going to see the value, and those are the serious people that are going to get the product. Let me train them on how to use the product and precision target, right, using my ACQC methodology, right? And then that's pretty much what I use to make money, guys. I'm real big on attraction marketing, guys. I'm real big on that. So my ACQC formula, I do that every single time. And what I've done, guys, is I created another Facebook profile, and on that profile, I've set it up in a way so that the leads will come in on automation, right? And I'm willing to teach anybody that's watching this video that's serious about ramping up their income, ramping up their leads, learning organic traffic, right? Learning how to convert those leads that you keep getting that you're not converting into sales. Like, I want to help you to be able to do that, okay? So I just wanted to simplify this. A product, right? You got your product, and this also stands for problem, and this S stands for solution, okay? But in order to solve their problems, you got to have something that you can provide to them that's going to help them do that. So that's where the solution comes in, okay? Now, this is just the simplified version of it, guys. This is just simplified, broken down in the most easiest way, period, okay? Easy. Now, what I want to do, and this is going to be for the serious and the serious people only. In the description below, I'm going to put my Facebook link, okay? It's going to allow you to add me as a friend, and when you add me as a friend, now let me go ahead and put this out before I even have you do that, all right? Now, I'm going to do one-on-one calls, right? One-on-one Zoom calls, or Skype, right, depending on what you use, but I usually use Zoom. I'm going to do one-on-one calls with people. I'm going to teach you my ACQC methodology, okay? I'm going to teach you that, and then I'm going to teach you precision targeting and learning how to actually connect, because part of the problem is most people don't know how to build a connection, right, to where a person feels like, it's almost like a person is selling their self on why they need a product. And that's the type of stuff that I'm going to be teaching you on that one-on-one call. Now, that call isn't going to be free, okay? But it is going to be cheap, guys. It's only going to cost you $25 for the session. You get a full hour with me, right? And as you've seen, I get results, and you can see the proof is in the pudding. Okay, so it's only going to cost you $25 for a 1 hour session. Now, I'm only going to take 10, right? Because, sometimes I can get busy, right? And I don't have like a lot of time, but what I want to do is I want to help people, right? Now, some people may say, well, why not do it free? Guys, I've done a lot of free stuff, and what I found, guys, and this is what I found. The people that get the free information from me, they never do anything with it. Right? There are some people that make money with what I've taught, but of course they've bought tools from me, and I taught them how to use those tools, and now some of them are making money. Notice the keyword I said, some of them, because I gave free information, and I just was like, man, like and then I watched some of the people who I gave it for free, and I'm just like, man, I feel like if they would have paid for it, they would have paid attention. Okay, so this is only for the serious people, and it's only 10. I'm only going to do this for 10 people. You pay, I'm going to send you an invoice, right? And you're going to pay through the invoice. It's going to be only $25. That's it. You get an hour with me. We set up a session, and we go from there. I train you on precision targeting and my ACQC methodology, and then we're going to get you rocking and rolling. Doesn't matter what business you're in, okay? I'm going to teach you how to generate no less than 15 to 25 targeted leads every single day, okay? So if anyone's watching this right now and you're tired of not making money, you're tired of not getting leads, or you're tired of getting leads and not converting them, my Facebook link is down below. We're going to talk about, what type of business you have, and then we're going to talk about how to get you leads every day and then connect with those people, because this is the formula here. Problem, and you have to be the person that provides a product to them that's going to solve that problem. Okay, So with that being said, hopefully you got something from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. But if you want that one-on-one call, the Facebook link is down below. We can talk about it. And I look forward to seeing you, my friend, in the next video. Peace.